Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to see a trick by which we can learn the geological time scale in the very easiest way. So, as you know, the geological time scale is very difficult and tricky to remember. All right. So, I'm going to tell you a very easy trick by which you can learn it, or you can easily learn how to draw it. So, this geological time scale, it is divided into different parts. First of all, we say that there are the two eons in which the geological time scale is divided. So, eons are two, and we are going to name eons as the first eon is Cryptozoic. It's a corrupt eon, okay? Cryptozoic. And another name for Cryptozoic is Precambrian life. The second eon is Phanerozoic. And other name for Phanerozoic is Cambrian life. So two eons, one of them is the Precambrian and the other is the Cambrian, Cryptozoic and Phanerozoic. Alright, these are the eons. Now these eons, they are divided into eras, and there are 6 eras. 3 of the eras belong to the Cryptozoic eon and 3 eras belong to the Phanerozoic or the Cambrian life. So how are we going to remember these eras? To remember the eras, we have to learn a line, and that line is this: AZWA arced protozoa at Punjab Medical College. Okay, now AZWA is a girl, art means like she aimed, or whatever you can say, the dome like structure. Okay, this is just to remember the eras. Okay, a tricky line to learn this. AZWA arced protozoa, like AZWA ने प्रोटोजोआ को आर्क किया at Punjab Medical College, and this is the name of the institute in Faisalabad. So this is how are we going to learn this. Now the AZ in AZWA stands for Azoic, and for arc we will get to know that it is archeozoic, and the protozoa is indicating proterozoic. Okay, proterozoic era. Now at is nothing here, it is just to complete the sentence. Punjab is indicating Paleozoic, and then M Mesozoic, and C Cenozoic. Okay, so we are going to write these 6 eras here. 3 belongs to Cryptozoic and 3 to Phanerozoic. Okay, these 3 belongs to Crypto, and after the line, the name of the institute, it belongs to what? It belongs to Phanerozoic Eon. Okay, so I am going to write the eras now. Now when you will write the eras of the Phanerozoic era, Phanerozoic Eon, first of all you will write here Paleozoic, then you will leave some space, okay, for like writing 6 to 7 words, and then you will make a line and you will write Mesozoic, and then you will leave line for about 4 to 5 words, and then you will write Cenozoic. We have now written our eras, the 6 eras we have written them. So now the eras, they are further divided into periods. So we will draw our vertical line, and now we will give the heading for periods. Eras were 6. Okay, now if I talk about periods, then there are 12 periods which we are going to write. And keep in mind that periods are going to start from Cambrian life. Okay, in the Cryptozoic era there is no periods. In the Cryptozoic Eon there are no periods. The periods are starting from the Paleozoic era. How are you going to learn these 12 periods? Here is the trick to remember them. Okay, so you will learn it as: Chief of Staff divided Mississippian penny permanently. Then you will draw a line to just create. Okay, then again a line to just create Tertiary Queen. Like Chief of Staff, there is a chief of the staff, and what that chief is doing and what that chief has done, he divided the Mississippian penny, like it's a penny or rupees. Okay, and those pennies are from the Mississippian country. Okay, permanently. So that chief of staff divided the Mississippian penny permanently. Now why did he permanently divided the penny? To just create Tertiary Queen. All right. So what these names are indicating, how you are going to learn them, that C for the chief, it belongs to Cambrian, okay, and the O of the off is the Ordovician. These are the name of the periods, okay. C for Cambrian, O for Ordovician, the S for the staff is Silurian, divided for Devonian, Mississippian from Mississippian, okay, and penny is the Pennsylvanian, okay, Pennsylvanian, and the permanently, the PERM of the permanently is Permian period, okay. Then to just create the T of 2 is for Triassic, just Jurassic, create Cretaceous period, and tertiary means tertiary, tertiary for tertiary as it is, and the queen is quaternary, quaternary. So this is how you are going to learn the periods. Chief of staff divided Mississippian penny permanently to just create tertiary queen. Now we are going to write our periods here. These are the 12 periods. Now keep in mind that Mississippian and Pennsylvanian, these two, they are collectively included in a period known as the Carboniferous. If you are going to like remember this one period Carboniferous, there will be 11 periods, okay. If you are going to include Carboniferous after Devonian, it would be 11 periods, but this is the easiest trick to learn them. Now we are going to learn like the epochs, and epochs are after the periods. So then we will again draw the vertical line, and epochs only belongs to Cenozoic era. There are 6 epochs, 4 of them belongs to tertiary and 2 of them belongs to quaternary period. Means the epochs are only lying here in this area, okay. No epochs in Mesozoic era, no epochs in Paleozoic era. Only epochs are in the Cenozoic era, starting from the tertiary period. So how are we going to learn the epochs? You have to remember this line. You know the PEON, okay, the gatekeeper or the PEON, okay. You have to learn this line, PEON, PEON provided PH. So P of PN is for Paleocene, the E of PN is for Eocene, the O of PN is for Oligocene, and instead of M we are writing is N, okay. So N here means M, okay. So N is for, like, M is for Miocene, okay. Then we have the word provided. The P for the provided is Pliocene. So we have completed our 6 epochs here. Now 2 are left, which will be from the quaternary period. So these 2 are pH. So what is the PN doing? The PN has provided pH. Now all of you know the pH or the pH scale. In any sense you can take this sentence, okay, just to learn your epochs. So the P for the pH is for Pleistocene, and the H for the and H will stand for the Holocene. The Holocene epoch is also known as the recent, okay. So this is the easiest trick to remember this. PEON provided pH. Now sometimes there are 3 P's in this line, P, P, P. So it gets confused, like which P where and which P where. Then there is another like line. If you want to learn it, you can learn it. So we will start from here, that pale Emma. Emma is a girl who has a pale color complexion, okay. So pale Emma go met Leo. The Leo means lion, okay. So pale Emma go met Leo, that lies hollow. Means that lion is lying, okay. That lion is lying, मतलब वो झूठ बोल रहा है. Hollow and hollow, झूठ हमेशा hollow होते हैं, all right. The lies are always hollow. So pale Emma, she go met Leo. The P for pale is Paleozoic. Now it is easily you can remember that pale is for Paleozoic, and the E for Eocene, and go is for Oligo. Okay, Oligo. And the M for met is for Miocene. Now why I have written Leo, L-E-O or L-I-O here? Because we have the Pliocene, P, because P were confusing, na? Here the P was for pale, here the P is for Pleo, and then for Plisto. So P's were confusing. So now for this P part, I have written Leo. So you will remember that when you will write Leo, you will remember that it is for Pleo. Okay, so you will write Pliocene. scene. And when this is lies, then you will remember it's Plisto, Plies. Now spellings are same. Okay, Plies, Tocene, Pleistocene, and holo means Holocene, Holocene. So there are the two ways by which you can remember these 6 epochs. And now I have very little space left here, so this is how you are going to write the epochs here. Okay, epochs will be written here. So in this way you are going to learn your geological timescale. If there is any confusion, you can ask in the comment section, and I hope it was helpful.